Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy, Learning German with Ritu. And today we are going to talk about German language certification. How many levels are involved in it and what kind of international certifications you can appear for in order to get an international certificate of German language. So let's begin. Let's move to our first slide. So, German language certification course is majorly divided into six major semesters, which is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and of course C2. So, in A1, you will start learning German with basic introduction, greetings, ABC, that is alphabets, countings, ordinal numbers. Then later, the grammar portion will also come, like personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, modal verbs. What are modal verbs? Like can, should, would like to, I wish to. So these all will be covered in A1. You will be able to make sentences using can, should, would, want, etc. Apart from that, prepositions are also covered in A1 itself. Type of sentences also you will learn in German. Majorly there are four type of sentences: nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. So you will be learning nominative and accusative and portion of dative sentences also in even itself. You will be able to make present tense and past tense sentences using few of the conjunctions like and, or, instead, but. So by end of A1, you will be able to speak or construct the basic present tense sentences, uh, talk about some topics related to past, like what did you do yesterday or on weekend? How did you celebrate your last birthday or last New Year Eve, for example? Now, if everything is covered in A1, what will happen in A2? A2 is an advanced level of A1. So in A2, you will be able to make little complex sentences using conjunctions like that's why, although, but still, because, that, when. When is conditional, like you will be saying, when I get good marks, I'm going to buy a car. So such conditional sentences also you will be in position to construct in both present and past tense. Along with that, you will be starting to get the format of formal and informal emails, which is part of A2 as well as B1 and B2 international exams. So you will start getting those formats, you will start practicing the emails as well, along with the speaking practice and listening practice. By end of A2, you should be in position to talk about any of the topic and explain your opinion or what do you do. Let's say if you have money, what do you do with your money? Do you spend it on rent, you buy groceries, you spend it on shopping, or or do you do savings? So such topics, such pointers, you should be able to speak about yourself, giving your opinion about it. uh, and in B1, if I talk about B1 is a intermediary level. In by the end of this level, you should be in a position to run a argument or a dialogue with your partner in German on various topics, as well as you should be able to do a presentation. In A2, we start with a mini presentation. In B1, it is a advanced level of a presentation wherein you need to talk about a topic for 2 to 3 minutes in front of examiners when you are appearing for an international exam. If I talk about C1 and C2, these both are the advanced level, you can say, in German language. Okay. So now the question comes, if we do the language course, but which kind of certification we should appear for? So you can appear for either OSD, TELC, Goethe, or ECL. These all four are accepted by German embassy if you plan to fly to Germany or you plan to work in any of the MNC or schools in India as well. So if you're planning to fly to Germany, let's say for study purpose or for a Ausbildung, a apprenticeship program wherein you start earning right from the first day during your course itself, and then later you get placement also, or for a job purpose. Yeah. So you have to clear any either OSD, TELC, Goethe, or ECL, minimum of B1 level. At Anjanaya Academy, we focus on the speaking skills as well. We are not focusing only to check in the box to cover the topic and the topic is done. By the end of every week or fortnightly, you will have an assessment which will be major of oral assessment. Conversation sessions will happen to assess the current language level of a student, and we try our level best that the emphasis on speaking all four quadrants. You have to appear for all four quadrants exam, like reading, writing, speaking, and listening. All four quadrants will be taken care by us, and we try to have more and more conversation sessions with our students so that they feel more comfortable with the language. The confidence comes within. Yeah. So, moving forward, of course, German language is an official language and it is spoken, but of course, in Germany itself. Apart from that, Luxembourg, Belgium, Austria, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein also. Yeah. So I hope this video has been informative for you. And thank you so much for giving me your time. We say Danke in German to say thank you. So Danke all and see you in the next vlog.